Hello guys, we're going to open the Happy Meal of the Philippines. Okay, it's the box. It's a smile. Let's open it. The Happy Meal is Crocs. Oh, we got 1 and 2. Look, we got number 7 and number 6. What should we open first? Let's open this one, the red. This is the box, a smiley face, and the Crocs. And there's a scan and play. This one, and then the back, and then the design. Let's open it. Oh, we got some stickers, and we got the Croc. Oh, look at the Croc. It's so cute. It's so cute, and it's a keychain. The box, there's like buttons and stickers. Stickers. And the sign Crocs. Okay, let's open this one. The one I want, the blue one. And this one, this one, this. It's blue. It's not like this. It's red. Oh, they have the same stickers. And let's see the phone. Oh. Here's the phone. It's two. Pwede maganda. Ito. Let's see, we can put the stickers. Bye guys. Candy's Crocs 2 toys. The QR code. I will scan this one in the blue.
Let's do it.
I'll scan. Show options. Let's see. I'll play game. Wow! Taklok. Let's play. I will choose different one except for this. Let's choose this. Oh, I want yellow. Then This one. Green. This one. Yellow again? No. Let's do this one. And this one. Wow. Bye-bye.
After scanning, no?
I used to scan this and then let's play. You can make your own clock. Any color. I choose blue.
Wow.
Then you can color the handle red,
Wow.
green. I will choose green. Then you can put anything you want. Nuggets, swirls, a Happy Meal, and that's. I will choose the nugget.
Wow.
And this one, let's put anything. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's choose this. Then, excuse me, and then to complete your pair.
Ta-da!
Yes. Another one. Ay, look, another one.
Wait. Patingin yung scan.
I made another one.